what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create variation listings on eBay. So all you have to do is head over to eBay and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, let's just click on My eBay, and in the left panel, we're going to just start selling and click on active, and we're going to start a listing. Next is just click on list an item. And from here, we're just going to start our listing. For example, I'm going to try and sell a Vic tablet. Then click on search, choose a category, and it's used, for example. Then continue to listing. And for us to be able to create variation listings, we have to switch to advanced tool and click on switch. So once we're switched to the advanced tool, let's just click on the three dot icon, then click on settings and make sure that you turn on the variations option. So if we scroll down, you should be able to see the variation section here now available. All you have to do is click on edit, and from here you can configure variations about your product such as attributes. You can add color, storage capacity, RAM size, and a lot more depending on what your product has. You can also create your own options just by typing in. Then once done, just click on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!